Pemirsa, masker diwacanakan dilarang di kota New York, Amerika Serikat karena kerap dipakai pelaku kejahatan di kereta bawah tanah. Wacana itu pun menimbulkan kontroversi.
Jutaan orang bergantung pada sistem kereta bawah tanah New York setiap harinya. Namun kejahatan kerap menjadi momok bagi para penggunanya. Berdasarkan laporan The New York Times, penyerangan dan pembunuhan meningkat angkanya sejak tahun 2019 di subway. Pelaku seringkali gunakan masker untuk samarkan identitas mereka.
It gives people anonymity, and this anonymity actually increases their bravado to commit these crimes. They feel that, you know what, if I have a mask, it's going to be harder for them to catch me.
Bulan Agustus 2024, Nassau County, sebuah kawasan satelit dari kota New York, sahkan larangan orang-orang untuk kenakan masker di muka umum.
Well, there are numerous instances of where criminals were using masks to hide their identity. We had situations where they would go into stores and shoplift and commit other types of crimes. We have exceptions for a health need or a religious requirement, but other than that, there's no good reason to wear a mask out in public.
Pakar hukum menyetujui kebijakan ini.
Just as anti-masking laws were a tool against the KKK, they can be a tool against modern terrorists and criminals, whether it's Antifa, whether it's some of the right-wing militias that cover their faces, or whether it's just everyday criminals and looters.
Aturan ini belum berlaku di kota New York, di mana pemakaian masker cukup lumrah, khususnya atas alasan kesehatan. Wacana ini ditentang oleh para aktivis yang khawatir kebijakan ini bisa masuk ke ranah hak privasi warganya.
Anytime, the government dictates what a person can and cannot do in a public space and criminalizes the act of wearing a piece of apparel, there is a constitutional problem with that and raises a number of concerns about inappropriate government overreach into people's lives.
Warga New York pun punya opini yang terbelah soal ini.
I don't think there needs to be a ban on masks. I think people should get to choose what they want to do.
Unless you have a medical reason to wear a mask, you shouldn't be wearing it at all. There are people that are using them to commit crimes, to hide their identity, and it's actually causing havoc in the city.
Wacana ini merefleksikan benturan antara pengaturan keamanan dengan kebebasan personal di sistem kereta bawah tanah tersibuk di dunia. Dari New York, Randy Wicaksana dan tim VOA.